Hello, hello, hello. Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Is there some problem with the audio or it's just... Wait, I'll fix it. So hey guys, welcome to the stream. How are you guys? How's everything going? We have 2 viewers right now. Welcome to the stream, guys. Yeah, it's working fine. We have less delay. So yeah, let's go. So today we are looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, and gold because Bitcoin is at a verge to fall. So it's like if it does not respect this zone or does not take a bounce from this zone, then we can see a fall till like this area. Like somewhere around 88,700. Like it's like $2,000 of area where this can trade, but if it does not respect this area also, then this is the only zone where we can see Bitcoin next. 86,000. So even on the 4-hour time frame also, yes, this is the zone. If it does not fill this gap and bounce from here, then definitely it is going to come near 86,000 or 84,000, and maybe lower than that, because after this it's just 80,000 and 77,000, 67,000. But 67,000 won't be like really cannot be captured this soon, but maybe there can be some chances. And this is a bearish, and we captured $2,000 live. We did 5 trades live. Three was in three we got profit, and afterwards one was break even and one was loss. So total 5 trades and three were good, one was break even and one was in loss. So yesterday was really great, and today we are not going to take any impulsive moves. Just wait for market and understand the market structure and behavior right now, and then we'll plan something if we find out. Let's go to 5 minutes time. Okay, it's already falling. Yeah, we can see the break of this zone. Just a second, guys. Labels, symbol, name label. Sorry. If it breaks this, we can see some fall from here. And why is the bitstamps different? Because if we go to the Binance chart, I'll show you the Binance chart, how it's working right now. See the chart. Can you believe the market touched 99,000 yesterday? No. So it's like this is a 15 minutes time frame chart and 1 hour is just like this. So we are not sure how the chart is working right now. There's some glitch with the trading view or the chart. I am not sure. So we are using this one because it's working fine right now. Make sure you drop the comments, guys. Whosoever are joining, just drop the comments so I know you guys are joining, you guys are watching. Just give me a second. So now the light is a bit better. Okay. Sorry, guys. Yes, everything else is fine. Okay, so it's working fine right now. And it is taking a like a little bit of rejection from this zone. As we said, like this is the zone from where we can see some support. Okay. So let's wait for a 5-minute confirmation candle right now. And once we get a confirmation candle, then we can see some upside movement. So let it close the first 5-minute candle above this level, this level. And if it closes above this, we can see some upside movement. Yes, this is a perfect level. And this could be the possible plan like this. No. So like current, I'm not sure what's wrong with these charts, but yeah, this chart is probably showing something wrong. Hmm. Okay, there's a move, guys, and let's go. Let's go. Let's go. But what can we see? What can we see? Can it close above this 5 minutes candle? Let's go to 1 minute, and yes, I guess there's a strong volume in this candle, and we have around $550 of SL, and the target is around one ratio. Like, let's see, we'll keep trailing, but currently it's like this. And we are also in the position, but we got a little late entry. But yes, if the candle comes below this area, then probably just this won't work. So it's better like to stay cautious, because right now it's a risky trade, and the 5 minutes candle has not closed yet. Still 3 minutes are left. So just wait. If you have not entered in the trade, but if you have entered, just stick to the plan. This is like, if market closes below this zone, then cut the trade. Like for the safe side, yeah. And if you guys have appetite to take some risk, then this is the RSL, the actual RSL. Not respecting. Yeah, now working. No closure, so we cut the trade. No trade at all, because the 5 minutes candle did not close above the zone, this area. So this is what happens. Just stick to the plan. And guys, in few minutes, our new video on TikTok and YouTube will be live, short video. So make sure you go and check that out also, and you will get to know that why traders do not trade in December. Like why December is not traded by many users. So make sure you watch that. And on Twitter, we are going to post about the trade we took yesterday. So make sure you follow on Twitter if you guys on Twitter. So tell me more about like your trading journey, guys. How you started, and where are you right now? You are profitable, loss making, break even, just finding edge, or you don't even have a strategy, just following signals. Like tell me about yourself. Still no confirmation right now. The market is just consolidating and it might break this zone or grab the liquidity of this zone. Like this is the point where it has already grabbed the liquidity, but I think it will come around 89,000 to 87,000 level just to fill this gap and then can bounce from here. Like from this zone, guys. The R proper. This is the golden zone. And yes, from here we can see a little movement, and this is also fair value gap here. So let's see how the market reacts. This is an order block here. This is also an order block here. I'll show you. So let's see what does Bitcoin do today. And in some time, let some viewers join and see. In some time, we'll give you the market analysis of today. Currently, we have just one viewer right now. And so we are currently looking how it goes. And from here, I guess we can still see a movement. Like Bitcoin is moving. And now we can see a bit move from here. So this can be the plan now. Our SL is very short, $400 of SL. This could be the target somewhere, but it needs to break this level first. If it breaks this level, then only we can see, but we can scalp from here, like somewhere around. This could be the minor scalp. Okay, currently moving, good trade, and I think it will hit this time, not TP. Like 600, $200 of SL and $600 of profit, so it's 1:3, and probably a good trade, but we will cut our quantities from here. If it crosses this level, cut 50%. 50% take profit. So yes, it's moving currently. Hope for the good move. Expecting a good move. Just need one big candle like we get every time. So just one good candle and a TP is going to hit. Okay. Taking a little pullback. Can come to the entry point again. So if someone has not entered, can enter the position from this part. Just wait market. If it comes like this and wait to go like this, then you can plan an entry. Just let it come this, grab this, and from here on reversal can go like this, and it's already forming a pattern, so I think it can work. It's already on a order block zone on a 15-minute time frame. It's on order block. Not an order block, it's just a support zone. Like, and after this, there's no support zone, and market will move in one direction only. If it's going to break this, then selling, and otherwise it's going to move up from here. Can like go to some extent, and after that it can come again to selling. So it's like, just let's see, this is a trade plan. We entered at the support, market took liquidity of this area and then moved up, and now again came near this point and gave us a re-entry. So we got an entry at this confirmation, and let's see how it goes. Currently we are at, I guess, 1:1, almost 1:1. Yeah, it's 1:1 right now. Guys, come drink some green tea. That we have set the stop loss, we have set the TP. So let the trade run and relax, because you can. Okay, it's moving now. So when this come to this 50% zone, if it breaks this, just trail your SL to break even and book 50% of the quantity, guys. And that's how it's going to work. Just a single candle, and I guess the TP will hit. And it has touched this zone, 50% TP from here. Just book 50% of the position, trail your stop loss to SL and let it run. Just let it run. Let it breathe. Let the trade breathe. You have 50% position out. The trade is risk free right now and there's nothing to lose now. And if it comes to this point, book 40% more, just let 10% breathe more, because I can see it, if it breaks this can go to this zone just to grab some liquidity, just a one single push. So but currently if someone wants to book, they can book 100% there. Now you have 50%, your 50% profit and the other 50% is trailed like from till here. So you are in profit right now, and you won't end up in loss even, because your stop loss is trailed to break even or above break even. So it's like you can do it like this. So it's a chill trade now. It's a risk-free trade. Let it run. Keep in, just enjoy the profits, guys. That's what happened when you trade with us. Like profits, oh, like we hit losses. It's not like that we are only making profits. Yesterday also we took 5 trades, 3 of them went in profit, one was a break even, and the third one was like the fifth one was loss. That's how it runs, guys. That's how it goes. Just that's how we hit TP, guys. Amazing trade, amazing single candle TP hit. Let it breathe, guys. Let it breathe. Let it go. Let it go. It's going up and up only. Let it go. Let's see how far it goes. Already $700 move captured. Let it go. Book for 30 40% more. Just let 10 or 20% rest in this trade. We are already making good trade. It's a good trade and on amazing level. Just let 10% sit, let it breathe, let the 10% move, and see the candle, guys. Now see the candle. See this candle now. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. $800 move captured. Already 900. Is it going to be like here? We can expect $1,100 move. Let's see. Just see the single candle, guys. That's how it goes. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing trade, guys. If you want to exit, this is the time you can exit your other positions as well. But if you want to hold from this side, if you want to hold from, if just trail your stop loss, just trail your stop loss below this point. So even if you cut the trade, you are still in profits. Let it go like this. Just keep it. Okay, I think it's not going to stop today. This trade is going to moon, to the moon, guys, to the moon. $1,200 move in Bitcoin already. Crazy. Crazy move, guys. Crazy move. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let it run, guys. Okay, okay. I'll show you the profits after this trade. Just make it move like this. Okay. Crazy trade, guys. Crazy, crazy to the moon, guys. Amazing. That's how we go, well. It's just a hacker movement, guys. Like sniper entry, hacker movement, just like this, guys. So probably if you want to exit, exit now, guys. I'm about to exit because now it's a change of like we can see the markets to get see rejection from this zone. So just probably like cut your trades if you want to, or just you are holding just 10% of the trade, so it's not a big risk. Let it go, guys. Amazing trade, amazing. Let's see. Just trail your stop loss below this zone. SL below this. Just keep trailing like this. With every bullish candle, just trail your SL below that candle. Hero matches 4. This so just trail your SL below every candle. So even if the market moves against you, you have already secured good amount of profit. So probably I'm out of this trade now. Exited like last position also. So this is the trade. $1,300 in one single candle, like one trade, one 5 minutes candle. Amazing, guys. Amazing trade. Okay, so this is a minor order block here. So that's why it got rejection from here. That's why just we exited. We no loss in this. Just 10% position exited here, and amazing profit. Even if you want to see my what? Let me show you my. Why it's showing like in two different paths? I'm not sure, but we made around 1200 $1,300, guys. Okay. So this is, I'll show you. So currently this is our PNL. We made 106% in this trade. And this is just a like single part, like our 90% positions part, which we exited earlier, which was around, we had profit of $1,000 in this, and second last 10% it is like $200, so we are eventually in profit. Just comment how much profit did you made in this trade. Just comment down below. That was really good trade, guys. We were about to capture $600, but we captured $1,200 in Bitcoin. The move of $1,200. Just keep commenting like how much profit did you made, guys. And this was the trade we captured $1,200 move in Bitcoin. And just comment down below how much profit you made and show your support, guys. It's like 101 trade today. I'll add the text up here so you know. One trade. We took one trade today. And one TP. So it's like we are at a great level right now. And maybe we need this, like evil eye to protect us from the losses. One evil eye and one rocket. Evil eye for protection and rocket for the trades. Like it took support from here, crazy. This resistance became support, and now I can see like market can break this level. So let's go. The market is consolidating right now from here, and I guess from here it can show from this, like this. this is the current trade plan. Sorry, not the trade plan, but this is the current view we are expecting from market. Like market has taken support from here and now it is making a W pattern. So we can see an upside move till this zone. Like market can come here, grab this liquidity, and then can fall or like can go upside. So we are not sure about that, but till here it is going to come. So we can expect a move till here. It's going according to our plan, guys. So that's how it's going right now. But we are just out of the trade. Let the market move. And if we find some more setup, then we'll probably going to trade. But right now, just enjoy the profits that we booked right now. Okay, just taking reversal from the fair value gap, a 1 minute fair value gap. So it's December again. So the new video is out, guys. The new shot is out. So if you want to learn about like why people do not trade on December month, make sure you go and watch that. It's a good educational video and you'll get to learn a lot about that. Okay, the market is taking rejection and this is the zone of rejection. This is a fair value. And even if we mark like our zone from here, we can see, yeah, the market takes rejection from this zone. Not an order, it's a golden zone. And this is a fair value gap. So the market took rejection from here and we can see a little downside move, like can come, market can fill this zone and then move upside, because this is the only fair value gap that I see that is a big one and is untapped right now. So the market can come to this zone and then tap this area and then move upside. So let's see how does the market go. We are just watching it, the market. And let's update on our Telegram channel that this is what is going on in live right now. Okay. Just updating on Telegram that this is what we are doing right now. Crazy amount of profit, crazy trade, crazy move we captured, and the market is just doing amazing, like giving trades in our favor according to our plan. And it's not just market supporting it, it's just the plan, the trade plan, the setup we follow, and just discipline. Even if you have seen me like right now, even in this trade, I was just sitting like pretty chill, like no stress of trade, like the trade is not moving, it is consolidating. Just set your SL and set your targets and just keep trailing it, so you don't lose any extra money. Even the market went 1:1 or 1:2, we booked 50% and we trailed our stop loss to break even. So we stayed in profit. So we can stay in profit and minimize our list to maximum, like as much as we can. And for taking more profits, just like minimize as much risk as you can and trail your stop loss to maximize your profit. Even in this trade also you saw us, right? We were sitting chill, we just had our SL marked, and afterwards when it closed above this zone, I'll show you just a second. When the market, it was consolidating in this zone, okay, when closed above this zone, we booked 50% and we trailed our SL to break even, right? Booked 50%, trailed our SL to break even. Here we did not book 100% actually. We booked around 30% more, right? I said it on live, like book 30 or 40% only according to your risk appetite. And our SL was at break even. And when market closed above this zone, I just said you one thing. Just keep your SL below every bullish candle. Like this candle closed, SL below this. This candle closed, SL below this. I'll just clear it out so you can understand. Like with every bullish candle, your SL should be marked below that zone. So like this was a bullish candle closing here, just SL below this. Next move like this, SL below this zone. This move, and now this SL below this, and market took this trailing SL. Last 10% was booked, was exited here. So how much you made actually? I'll tell you. Like you booked around even till here, you captured $1,000, guys. $1,000 move in Bitcoin is not less. Some people exited here, so it's on you. Like how you want to risk, or you want to just exit at the target, or you want to keep it trailing, so that you minimize your risk and just mm, get as much profit as you can from the market. Even I have posted a video on this, guys. Make sure you check our TikTok, our live YouTube channel, our shorts that we post. So because we are providing you great educational content, this helps you to build a mindset for you guys. So just make sure, because I just need support from you guys, nothing else. So keep supporting guys. Only support. Your support works. And we are looking for, and it's not that there will be days when market will not be in your favor. Even when you take a trade, the market will reverse from there, and you may hit many cancels. Like, so it's like minimize your losses. There are some days when market will move in your favor, like give you 1:1, 1:2, and your target is 1:3 or 1:4, and it will reverse from there. So as per our plan, we are taking 50% out on 1:1 or 1:2 according to our TP. So we are cutting our trade, like we are in 50% profit, and the half 50% is break even. So it will not affect your account ever when there are these kind of, and when the market reverses from your entry, you are taking SL. The SL should be small. Even see in this trade, how much was the SL? Like if we see above this closing, we took it here, right? Somewhere around this, like there was this closing, yeah. Some we took it around here. It was $160 of SL, right? And see, 1:8.39 trade, like 1:8 trade. Small SLs, big profits. That's the mantra. That's the key to generate profits and be a profitable trader, guys. That's all you need. If you can do this, you don't need to look for other strategies. Your strategy is fine. Your strategy is working good. If it's working 50 or 60% good, and you are just taking trades on with small SL and big profits, or just 1:2 or 1:3 trade, you're on an urge to become a profitable trader. You just need to take small losses and capture big profits. That's how you become a profitable trader. That's only one single strategy that will help you to become profitable trader. And overall, it's as we said, the trade is according to, like, still market is moving in our favor like we planned, and we posted an invitation for everyone to join our live, and even we can send them. Okay. It's moving slowly in our direction only, and from here it has given around $450 of move, and we are already. So guys, we were talking about your trading journey, guys. So tell me more about your journey, guys. How did you guys started trading? How did you guys get into trading? Or what made you think like you should get into trading? Let me know. Just like no clear setup right now, just market is right now consolidating. We already captured the volume, the move, everything. So it's like just now sit and relax and wait for setup if you find any. You don't have to force some trades or something like that. Just sit and relax. If you find a trade, it's good. If you don't find a trade, then it's also fine. It's sometimes it's better not to trade than take a trade. So one should know when to trade in market and when to stay away from the market. In 5 minutes, we'll see we can find some another good setup. Let me add the date on this guy. So we know like when we are trading. Just a second, give me a second, I'll add a date. We can keep it here. Let's see how it's looking. Use this text, turn the color. And date could be below this one. How does it look, guys? It looks fine at the downside. Okay. We are just playing with it though, because there's no current setup in the market. Yeah, now it's fine. So now it's working fine. Everything is good. We have mentioned the date and everything here. Hmm. One trade, one TP right now. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, follow our TikTok account, Telegram account, join our Telegram channel. Make sure you join the Twitter account or X account. We are posting amazing content, educational content on TikTok also. And now let's see at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum, like just we said, this was the zone. Ethereum would take rejection from this golden zone, and it did the same. It is taking rejection from this zone, and we can see Ethereum on 4-hour time frame to come at this zone. Yeah, from here it could come here and then move, because it needs to take some support, or just like need to take invite sellers or buyers and take their liquidity and then move. So till then we are out of Ethereum right now. We are not looking at Ethereum. This is not a fair, this is a fair value gap on 4-hour time frame. This is the big fair value gap. And on 15 minutes, I guess, not 50, yeah, it's a 15-minute. We need to. Or market can take support from this zone also. Oh. And we have been now. So let's check gold till then. Maybe we can find some setup in gold. And like we said yesterday, we were waiting for gold. Gold was in this consolidation zone and it finally broke it. I didn't look at it in the morning and now it is on this zone, like this bridge. It broke this, so now it's invalid right now. So this is the zone where market took rejection, gold took rejection, and okay. So the market here we can see on 5 minutes time frame in gold can come. Okay. Yeah, this could be a possible. No, let's see. It's just like this is not a trade, guys. Just testing. Like, does our setup work? Like we just saw gold right now, and it's our it's on our zone. So let's see if this works or not. It's not an order. Yeah, we will just mark at 1:2 and see how does it work. It's not a trade or something like that. It's just testing. Like I have not entered in a trade. I'm just testing right now. So no, it does not work. Immediately, if you don't give time to understand the market, like how it's moving, or you haven't spent around 30 minutes before taking a trade to understand the market, even if you see setup, it will hit your SL. So we were just testing out, and this can be on 1 minute time frame. We can say this zone. So just give market some time before entering. Like understand the market, check out the behavior, how it is going, how it can move, how it has been moving in the like a whole day. So just like see before entering in a trade, just give market enough time so you know what market is going to do. Like you have seen that the pattern of the day, lower high, lower lows, Asian high, London session high, low. So you should understand that before you take a trade. So even if we volume is pretty bad right now, and currently if we check out the London session, Okay, it's pretty low right now. London session low is this, and New York session started on this candle, right? So previous London session high was this. So in if we see, this is Asian high. It sounds bad, right? That's Asian high, Asian low, London high, and this is New York high right now. And this is London low. Oh, sorry, this is London low. This is Asian low. So I don't think Asian low will be triggered today. So no need to mark that. But for your understanding, we can mark that so you can understand better. So what did market do today? So this was the Asian session. It marked a low and slowly, steadily, like accumulation, like the concept I made you understand in the previous videos, that what does market do? It does accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So this is just accumulation. All this is accumulation, and that words Asian session is best for to accumulate the market. Just slowly and steadily buyers are coming here, right? Buyers are here, and this is like in, if we see London session, this was Asian high, grabbed liquidity, manipulated it, came again downside, and then this is distribution, manipulation, accumulation. The market moved one way and finished. So this is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. To make you understand this better, and currently Bitcoin is coming at this fair value gap right now, because this was the only place which was open and it was not, the gap was not filled yet. So now the market is at the fair value gap and it is going to fill this gap, and let's see if this, if market respects this zone or just goes out crazy, like goes in opposite direction, maybe can go in like this. So we are not sure, so that's why we took one trade. We are out of the market right now, just waiting for some entry. If we find some, that's okay. If we not, then it's also okay. We had one trade. Let me see if we got some new viewers. Guys, show some support, guys. I'm coming daily giving you crazy trades. I'm not sure, like the accuracy is good right now. So make sure you support, guys. Keep supporting. Market, it is now an inverse. fair value gap. So market did not respect this. It is coming again to this point. So let's see how it goes. Totally V-shape recovery from our zone, like this zone, and this was the order block. Like, let me show you the smaller order block. Minor order block. And from here it reversed. So hey guys, we are back and went for a little break, guys. So currently, see Bitcoin, we took this trade and the Bitcoin is now at our zone at the 1 hour. I guess yeah, it's a 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour. So it's a 1 hour fair value gap, guys, and on 15 minutes, it's a golden zone, our zone also. So let's see from where we can see some bullish pattern or somewhere like that, so we can plan some entry. Or if market breaks this and this becomes an invalid, so we will plan trade in sell direction if we find some setup a reversal. So let the market move, and we just captured like, see, just one candle, like it was meant to be our trade only. So even if you see like just really small SL and a big move in single candle, in just three candles we had our TP hit, and we are out of the trade. So let's see if the market shows some reversal on 5 minutes time frame. If market closes above this level, then we can see some bullish move. This level or maybe this level. So let the market go above this level, and then we can plan something. We can see how the market reacts, then we will plan something. And look at the gold. What happened with the gold, guys? Just in few seconds it went from here to 330 pips, guys. 330 pips of selling in gold. That's what called, that's is totally distribution. I'll make you understand this now. Now we have a perfect example of this. So I'll make you understand this now. What is accumulation, what is manipulation, and what is distribution? So now we have a perfect example regarding this, according to the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now I'll show you how. One second, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So we have now perfect example of accumulation, manipulation, and distribution now. So here I will show you how the market works, how we can, how each session works, and what is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and how it works in each session, and in what session what works. So you see this, this is Asian session. So it was consolidating, like it was moving very slowly, right? So what do we call this? And usually in Asian session, there is accumulation. London session, it's manipulation, and New York session, it's distribution. So usually see Asian session is slow and range bound, and London session we get to see some volume, and the market tries to give us a breakout and fake outs or tap out, something like that. And in New York session we get good volume, good volatility, and distribution. So accumulation means when the money is being accumulated, getting collected in the market. So either buyers or sellers are buying in market or selling in market. So it's getting accumulated in small amounts. Like slowly it's getting gathered, all the pool money. So like this, if you see, this is a buying, slow buying. Like even if we check this from here, it started until here, like this was the highest of buying, right? So even if you see till here, around 6 hours, 7 hours, it did same, like slowly moving. And this slow accumulation of money, if you see, this is the slow buying here, which is accumulation. So even if you say this slow buying is accumulation. And now the London session begins, and it is now this consolidating range bound, and now it broke Asian high, Asian session high it broke. So now it has given a manipulation. This is manipulation. So manipulation is going opposite, like inviting buyers or sellers in one direction, and like this they invited all the buyers, they broke Asian high, grabbed liquidity here, invited buyers here, and these are the buyers slowly, 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 and this is all manipulation. Okay, now I will tell you what is distribution. This is all is manipulation. And after now the New York session opened, now it's time for distribution. The money is now accumulated. It has invited buyers and sellers also with manipulation. Like all the buyers are here in the market. Now they need to kick the buyers out and move in opposite direction. That is distribution. So here you see this move. All the buyers who gathered here, 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 all the buyers who are invited here, who bought in between breaking of the zone, who bought here, or even like from this support, or from here, like everywhere, wherever the buyer entered the market, they entered here, they were like adding more quantities because the market was moving one side. So that's manipulation, inviting in one direction, and distribution is going opposite direction. All the money accumulated and all everything is now distributed. It reversed from this side, and this is distribution. So so now you understand what is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. When the market invites buyers or sellers slowly and accumulates their money slowly, like in one direction only, that is known as accumulation. And that happens mostly in Asian session. And Asian session, there's only accumulation, slow and range bound. And in London session, it's manipulation, inviting buyers or sellers or giving fake outs. And here you see invited all the buyers here, and this is manipulation, and this happens in London session mostly. And in New York session, it's time for distribution. All the money accumulated here, all the buyers invited here, they are now they need to be kicked out of the market. So from here to here, it's accumulation and manipulation. I'll tell you once again to make you understand much better. So just listen carefully. Listen carefully. So what is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution? Accumulation is when in small quantities or slow movement, either buyers or sellers are invited in the market. And this happens usually in Asian session because it is slow and range bound, the volumes are limited. So all the money gets accumulated there. So in today's market, the accumulation was of buyers. All the money from buying is accumulated here. And in London session, that's where manipulation happens. The market starts to get some volume and volatility. You get to see fake outs and tap outs, and you get to see manipulation. Now the market is inviting buyers to get their liquidities. So all the buyers are here invited just for the manipulation. So that happens in London session. And now it's New York session, most volatile, the session with most volume and big moves. And that's where distribution happens. All the money accumulated in Asian session, all the money accumulated or manipulated, invited buyers or either sellers in London session. Now they need to be kicked out of the market. That's what happened in New York session. And here you see the live perfect example of that. This is distribution going in opposite direction of what the market was in the starting. Asian session you saw buying. London session was a little bit range bound. Now manipulation of buyers, invited all the buyers, And now in New York session, invited all the buyers in London session, in middle of New York session, and now it's distribution. Time to kick out all the buyers from who entered the market from like beginning, because this is Asian law. This is Asian law and this is London law. Market kicked out all, took liquidity of London session here. So all the buyers invited in the Asian session, in the London session, and in the beginning of New York session are kicked out. So this is called accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This is such an easy concept, and you see live in the market today. If someone is joining new, I'll make them understand this just once again. Just give me a second, guys. So now I'm going to teach you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So this is the basic and easiest concept to understand if you want to like overcome all your losses. You are entering trade wrong and you are understanding the market in a wrong way. So this is going to be an easy way to make you understand what is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So now we are going to talk about AM. So today we are going to talk about AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So what is accumulation? Accumulation means inviting either buyers or sellers in the market and accumulating their money in the market, creating a pool of money in the market slowly. That what happens in usual. So today I'm going to so today I'm going to So today I'm going to tell you about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution in live market. So if we see, this is a gold chart, and what is accumulation? Accumulation is when the market invites either buyers or sellers in one direction. Like by in today's market, you see the buyers are invited, and that usually happens in Asian session, which is usually slow and range bound. The volumes are less, so accumulation happens. All the money of either buyers or sellers are accumulated into a pool, and it's called a pool of money, and that's accumulation. So here also in today's market, in Asian session, the market invited buyers. So this is accumulation of money of buyers only. And then London session comes, and the London session opens, and in the beginning of London it was also like a little range bound. And now it's time to do manipulation. Manipulation is inviting buyers or sellers in one direction, going in one direction, manipulating them, inviting them. So in New York session, the liquidity of those can be taken out and they can be kicked out of the market. So in today's London session, we see manipulation of buyers. In buyers were invited, and this is manipulation. So today we are going to talk about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. It will change your perception about seeing the market, understanding the market behavior and structure of the market. And let me take you to the charts, and I'm going to teach you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution in live markets today. So what is accumulation? Accumulation is gathering all the money of either buyers or sellers and creating a pool of money, accumulating it. So then later it could be manipulated and distributed. So accumulation is inviting buyers or sellers. So that usually happens in Asian session. So this is the Asian session, and today in today's market we saw accumulation of buyers. Buyers were invited slowly, and the money is accumulated in the market for of buyers and happens in Asian session. So Asian session is usually known as accumulating session, where the money is gathered of buyers or sellers and the market is slow and range bound. So it moves in one direction but slowly, just accumulating the money. And then it comes London session, where today market was a little sideways, but now it's time for them to manipulate in one direction, inviting other buyers or sellers to gather more money in the market, so later on they can be liquidated and kicked out of the market. So in today's market, buyers were invited here and here, and this is all manipulation. So if you see, this is manipulation, inviting of buyers in London session, and then it comes New York session. New York session opens, and now it's time to distribute all the money that has been gathered in the market, collected in the market from the morning, from the Asian session, and this is distribution. Distribution means going in the opposite direction of the market. Like market was inviting buyers, and in New York session we saw selling, heavy selling, sharp selling. That is distribution. So this is the easiest concept, and when you open the market you will understand it quickly. Even if we see yesterday, I'll show you from the yesterday's market. So this is the Asian session, and this the market started to accumulated money of sellers, seller, accumulation, again selling till here. So this is all accumulation. From here we see it's all accumulation for sellers, money of sellers, and then London session opens. So this was a so this was the basically low of Asia, and this was the recent resistance. So market invited buyers now, broke this, invited buyers, and here, and this is called manipulation. And distribution is going in opposite direction. So till here you see buyers were invited, and now you see here sellers. It was not sharp, but no, I'll show one second. Till the London session or New York session opening, it was buyers, and after that it manipulated and gave us sharp selling, and this is manipulation. This was also manipulation. This is also manipulation. Manipulation of inviting buyers and sellers. So manipulation buyers, and here manipulation sellers. And in New York session, when the this is distribution. This part is distribution. Went sharp, buying only. So now it is clear. Maybe you understand the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution today amazingly. So I'll tell you one more. See, this is the market of 3rd December. Asian session made a high here, started accumulated money of sellers. Here it's all accumulation, invited sellers, slowly going towards the target, and this is called accumulation in London session. And now it comes London session open. It's time to manipulate. So in London session opening, we're all inviting sellers is breaking Asian low, so all sellers are invited now. So now the market did manipulation, inviting buyers here, right? All the buyers are invited here, and now the New York session opens here, and New York session is known for distribution. Market invited buyers still here, and in New York session opposite of that, total selling, and that's distribution. So accumulation is going in one direction, either in buying or selling, and so accumulation is, I'll tell you one thing. So accumulation is inviting either buyers or sellers in one direction. So accumulation is inviting buyers or seller, accumulating or making a pool of their money in Asian session, and in London session manipulating them, like either going in buy side or sell side, inviting one side only, like either buyers or sellers, or even inviting both buyers and sellers. And in New York session, it's time for distribution. All the money accumulated in the market from the morning, buying, selling, all the money accumulated. Now it's time to kick them out. The market will move in opposite direction. If the accumulation is in buying and manipulation is also done in buying or either selling, if it's done in buying, you will see selling in New York session. And if it's done in selling, manipulation, sellers are invited in the market, you will see distribution in buying side. So this is how the market works. I am sure it helped you. Now you understand the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution concept. Like I have made you understand in the easiest way. And I'm not sure like you are paying how much money to how many people to learn this only. You understand this? It's easy for you to take trades. You now clearly see the markets. How did you like this, guys? Please make sure you drop some likes in the comment section or give likes to this video. It's only 6 likes right now. Just need your support. Bitcoin is falling like crazy, guys. Let's me show you Bitcoin chart and it's still on that zone. So it's better not to trade in this kind of like we took our trade, we took profit, we are out of the markets. And I taught you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution in the easiest way. Like no one would ever teach you. And now in let the market breathe and it's making a like it has took liquidity of London session and of this area also. Liquidity grabbed from this area also. So now let's wait for market to this is one zone where we can plan entry and the second we can let market come here. If we get a bullish candle we may plan entry and it's 100 pips already, so let's see. And it's 25 pips of SL, so let the market come and this is like the support or either we can see, wait a second. So we see from this side, okay, this could also be a possible entry from this side and SL below here. And 80 pips. Let's see how this goes. Another trade, guys. Let's see how the market reacts, and then we can maybe plan an entry, or maybe this can be an entry. It's a very small risk, so one can like plan an entry. Below this candle, it's an SL, and target can be first can be up to here, because our risk is very low. It's just 7 pips, and the target is around 50 pips. It's 1 ratio 6.25. Did not work. Let's check this area. This could be a possible trade plan, guys. And I guess we need to change the direction of mic too. Maybe we can get the mic to this side. What do you say, guys? Oh, we are missing this. So that's why no profits right now. Just add this and see how the market rockets from here. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Hmm. Crazy. Why the market behaves like this? Okay, coming to our level. Let's see if we get any reversal from here, then we will plan the entry. Just waiting for the markets to give a reversal from this area. And if we get a reversal, a bullish candle, then we can plan an entry. And we need one more thing. So here we are. And the SL below this zone, yeah. 10 pips of SL, and 70, 85, 80 to 85 pips of target, and even we need to close this. Yeah. So our first exit 50% here, and trail it. Your stop loss should be at break even once it crosses this zone, and even you can like try, like it will go in one go. And this is going to be our second DP, or even you can book here fully. So it's like, let's wait how the market reacts. Let's see. And it's right now, it's currently in R. We need to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it will work, and let's put a rocket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this is the my personal strategy, how I make profits. Just do like this on every trade, and put up a rocket in every trade. So the market can crash. Okay. What do you think, guys? Will it trigger our SL or not? It's at break even right now. Even if you mark from market, grab this liquidity. Took support from this. Yeah, market took support from this area too. This is also a liquidity area. And now one thing could save us now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my personal strategy to make profits. Just put a rocket here and wait for market to go in the opposite direction. Hey, let's go. Let's see how it goes. And our SL was saved from like only this. 22 pips, guys. From 2 pips, our SL was saved. And crazy. Now, that's a move. Now you see, this is my personal strategy. How I make profits? Just do this, and use the evil eye and a rocket. Every trade, it works. Just keep now it's cross this area, book 50% here, and SL to break even. Wait, yeah, just book 50% here, and I'll add the text here also. SL to BE and trail. So now the SL is at BE, and just keep trailing. Keep trailing, keep trailing. If the market, I say, keep trailing with every bullish candle. Keep trailing SL below every bullish candle. So if the now this candle, if this candle closes bullish, just keep trail your SL below this candle, like from here. TSL. So let this candle close and then move your SL below this point. So you don't lose. Like we are here at 1:6 already, and our SL is at 1:4. So let it go, let it move, and let's see how it moves. And now move below this candle. Just keep trailing with every candle, bullish candle. Keep trailing your SL and just wait. Use rocket also, guys. Rocket, 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 and so now we have trailed 50%, exit 20% here. Exit 80%. Highlight text. So exit 80% here, just or 90%. And trail your SL. Trail your SL. Keep trailing below, like below every next candle. Like if this candle closes bearish, our SL at TSL is at this level. So even if the market goes like in our direction or even reverses from here, we are secured, guys. We have already booked 80% here, so we do not need to worry about anything. Here 80% book, only just 10-20% left. Just trail your SL below this point now. Better be safe than sorry, guys. So a second trade of the day, going crazy, guys, crazy. Just make sure you like, and if you took this trade, because I'm not advising you to take the trades or anything. This is not a financial advice. This is just pure analysis. I'm sharing you my analysis, how I enter in the market, how I trade, and what is my strategy. I showed you the strategy, and see the candle. See the candle, guys. See the candle. Even if the let it cross this, and if it crosses this, just keep trailing. We are already around 77 8 around 78 pips up, guys. It's going to be 80 pips already. 80 pips up, 80 pips of profit already, guys. We captured 80 pips already in gold. And just make sure you comment down like what is your view on this. If you want logic behind this trade, I will also give you that. And want more crazy trades like this, just keep trailing your SL also. And if you want more crazy trades like this, more, just join our Telegram channel, guys. It's free, providing you free education, free trades like this. See, this is how it's going now. Just keep trailing below every candle, every green candle or red candle or blue or black. So just keep trailing. And if you want to book, want to get out of the trade, just exit. There's no pressure now. We are already 82 pips up. And about, we can see around 100 pips if possible. Let's see how it goes. We are at 80, we are exiting at 80-90 pips. So let's keep trailing it. At this point, we exited our 80, 90, only 10 yet or 20% position left, guys. Your SL is intact, your TSL is up here. Even if the prices move against you, you are capturing 60 pips with this candle, below this candle even now. Just like, yeah, 65 pips, somewhere around that. So let it move, let it move, let it breathe, let it go. If you want to exit from the trade right now, or if you don't want to exit, just want to hold 10-20%, just keep holding. And here we go, TP hit. Amazing, crazy. Just move your TSL below this. TP hit, book your positions. If you want to hold, you can, but I won't recommend you because it's already we captured 100% booked here. Already 90 pips captured, and we took 2 trades today and 2 TP. $1,300 in Bitcoin and 90 pips in gold. What else do we need, guys? 2 trades back to back profits, and that really of a good amount. It's not like small scabs. 90 pips in single trade and $1,300 in Bitcoin. That's how it works. Mhm. Support, show your support with likes and comments in the stream. I'm sitting with you guys. I'm tired, but I'm still going on, giving you crazy trades, amazing trades. We captured 90 pips in gold, and it's still moving. And here we go. Just keep trailing, guys. Even if you want to or not, just keep trailing. Every candle, the next candle is the SL. Below the previous candle, it's the SL. Keep trailing if you want to, otherwise, just exit. We have already captured 93 pips and we are on the way. And here goes the TSL. So you have captured 93 pips and crazy. TSL hit, exit, and we are out of the trade. Amazing trade. Trade went crazy. Second trade, and you got to know my secret strategy, how I trade. Just use the evil eye from this and a rocket in the trade, and it went crazy. And now see, right where we exited, right where we exited, see the fall. 28 pips, 12 pips, 40 pips straight fall. So better to be out of the trade. And even in Bitcoin also, maybe we can see a setup, but I'm not sure that because it's a bullish engulfing candle now, and maybe we can see some buying, but on the 1 minute time frame, it's already very up right now. It can take rejection from this zone. And if it comes at this level, we can plan some buying, guys. Yeah, somewhere around this or nearby this. So we were saying the gold, I told you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Gold took support, some bearish entry, uh, gave some bearish candle, made a double top, and it had to go, like, to make a double top it has to come down. So it came to our fair value, not a fair value gap, but our golden zone, and gave took liquidity from here. On 1 minute time frame I could show it took support from here, gave a bullish move, then moved in other opposite direction, gave gone into selling, took liquidity, moved again, took liquidity again, and the when we knew like this candle was it, entered the trade. Amazing trade, crazy trade, booked 90 pips, 93 pips of profit, but we won't consider just 90 pips. Yeah. And you see our trades, our SL are very small. It's just 10 pips of SL and were saved by 2 pips. 10 pips of SL and 93 pips of profit. 1 point, and our profit ratio is this, guys. This is our profit ratio. Have you seen? This is our profit ratio, guys. This is our risk to reward ratio. And okay, a fair value gap here. What do you say, guys, now? Crazy, amazing. Just drop comments below, guys, so I can know you guys are, it's adding value to your life. We captured 2 trades, both hit TP, captured very good amount, $1,300 in Bitcoin, and 93 pips in gold. What else do we need for a day? 2 trades and both TP hit. So you need anything else, let me know. We are providing free education, free everything on our Telegram. Just keep joining Telegram and it will benefit you, guys. Don't worry. And from here, from the fair value gap, one could have get another entry. If we see just like this, small SL of 1.13 pips, target this 4:5 trade. What do you say? How this is how zones work, guys. This is how our zones work. This another trade, crazy. We marked FBG here for you guys, and you see, this is the power of protection, and this is the power of rocket. Amazing trade. Now I think it will break this zone also and move. Hmm. and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. I'm here for you guys. Someone, bro, crazy trades. Thank you so much, bro. It's all for you guys. Just make sure you subscribe, like the live video, join our Telegram. That's it. You get these kind of trade and every day, every day. There will be days we'll be making loss, but we are not going to, because every day before you take a trade, I think how much loss I'm going to take today. So before thinking about profits even, I think about how much of loss I'm going to take today. Like if my account size is $1,000, I'm going to take 50, or like in two trades, $60 of profit, $60 of loss in two trades. For example, just for a $1,000 account, $60 of loss in two trades, and okay, and I just manage my risk according to it. Second trade, we kept the SL accordingly, so we hit only $30 of SL. For example, just if I had a $1,000 account, so I would be placing my SL like these are the 10 pips. I will take 0.30 lots. So my SL would be $30, and we captured 90 pips, and it would be $180 of profit. $180 of profit and $30 of loss. And also, if, in the Bitcoin trade we took, we captured $1,300 and our SL was $150. So for that, I will taking 0.15 lots. So what? No, one 0.20 lots as per my account size. So my SL would be $30, and the target we took, it was like 1,300 and 300, 30, 60, 90, $390, I guess. Yeah, we captured a good move. Talk about Bitcoin. Yeah, 150 is like 3 0.20. Sorry, 0.20, 200, 220, 240, 260. $260 of profit in this. Yeah, sorry. One side this, one side this. And market took liquidity of this zone too. If you see, just for this much of move, for 7 pips, we won't wait for this much time. Just like this. From here, if you see, till here, 8 or 10 minutes. And now it's in 8-10 minutes, you get to relax. You are ready for another setup if you want to, or else you can just exit. Close the markets for today. Just enjoy the stream. If you want to ask any question, you can. I'm sitting here for you guys. Just make sure you keep liking the video. Bitcoin is reversing, and see if we can find it at a setup. Sorry, it's a golden zone. This one also. Yeah, we can see a fair value gap here, and it's a big gap right now. And an order block too. So this is an order block here. So if we can do like this, yeah, let's keep it here. So let the market come to our point and we can exactly plan something here. If we get some bullish movement, otherwise we are out. We took 2 trades, consecutively profitable trades, and you'll see them in live. In live, guys. Taught you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Just let me. Let it be like this, and let me teach you. So now in a quick note, I'm going to teach you about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So what is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution? Even if we go on a 5 minutes time frame, I'll teach you, or even a 15 minutes time frame, it will be easy to teach you in 15 minutes. So I'll mark some sessions first. Wait a second. Let me mark first. Asian high. Asian low. London low. And before the New York session opened, this was the London high. London high. Okay. So now I'll teach you what is accumulation, what is manipulation. So today I'm going to teach you about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution in live markets. So currently the market is running. So today I'm going to teach you about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution on live market. So today I'm going to teach you about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution in live market. So let's get through the chart and I'll show you how AMD works and how you we need some water first, then we will start, guys. Just give me few minutes, and probably in 15-20 minutes we'll be signing out. Okay, so Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you about AMD, accumulation, manipulation and distribution. And what is accumulation, what is manipulation and what. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you about AMD, accumulation, manipulation and distribution. What is accumulation, what is manipulation and what is distribution. And that also in live markets today, and how to spot it, how to understand the market structure, how to see the behavior, and how to identify where the market is going to move, everything in today's video. So if you see, this is the gold chart on 15 minutes time frame, and I have marked the sessions. So this is Asian session, this is London session, and this is New York session. So what is accumulation? Accumulation is basically you talk accumulating money or creating a pool of money or collecting money from everyone and keeping it in the market. So in today's, here you see the Asian session started here, and this is the Asian high. So in today's market, this is the accumulation can be of any side, buying or selling. Either buyers are invited in the market or either sellers money is accumulated in the market. So in today's market, if you see, the money of buyers is accumulated here, all the buyers are in the market. Asian session usually is the accumulation session, because it is slow, it is range bound and moves are very slow, so money can be accumulated slowly, and slowly they accumulated. This is called accumulation, and buyers were invited in the market today. And now the time comes of London session. Here the London session opens, so mark the low of London session here. And in London session, it is basically a manipulation session where the market gets volume. You get to see some fake outs, some traps, or something like that, which invites either buyers or sellers. And in today's markets, the buyers were invited into today's market, and market manipulated them. Like they gave them invite break. So today in they invited, after breaking an Asian high, they invited buyers. The buyers would enter on the retest of this resistance zone, which became a support zone. So invited buyers. So this is manipulation. Either market invites buyers or sellers in the market. So if you see, the markets invited buyers today in the market, and it's manipulation. And now the time comes of New York session. So New York session made a high, invited all the buyers in the New York session beginning also, and now it's time for distribution. And distribution usually happens in the opposite side of manipulation. So if you see, accumulation is buying, sometimes manipulation can be of selling, or either side buying. So and distribution is usually opposite side of that direction. So if you see, the in London session, the manipulation was inviting buyers. In New York session, you would see selling. So that's what happened today. In London session and Asian session, market invited all the buyers, accumulated their money, created a pool of money, and now they needs to be kicked out of the markets to get liquidity. So invited all the buyers till now, and now it's time for New York session and distribution session, where the markets will take out the buyers and go in, where market will take out all the buyers that are in the market from Asian session, London session, and kick them out, and grabs the liquidity and goes into opposite direction. So here it's in distribution mode. So all, like, even if you see the distribute, and it's always fast selling, like 160 pips in a single candle, and total overall 550 pips, 550 pips in just 30 minutes. 9:40, 7:45 and 8, like in 30 minutes you get to see around $550 movement, 550 pips of movement. So this is what accumulation, manipulation and distribution, and you understand it in a very easy way, that Asian session. And today I told you about AMD, accumulation, manipulation and distribution. Accumulation happens in Asian session, manipulation happens in London session, and New York session it's for distribution. So accumulation means inviting either buyers or sellers to buy or sell in the market, accumulating their money, and that also very slowly in a range bound, like in one direction. It will be slow in Asian session only. And in London session, either the buyer will be invited or the sellers will be invited in the market, where the market does manipulation, inviting either buyers or sellers and going in that direction. But in New York session, when the New York session opens, now it's time for New York session to grab the liquidity and go in the opposite direction, and that is called distribution. So market invited buyers from the morning session, Asian session, London also manipulation was done inviting buyers, and now it's New York session. Markets gave a push and it reversed, like opposite of the direction in which the manipulation has happened. So if I give you an example, here, so if the market in Asian session, if the market is inviting buyers, accumulation in Asian session, and now it's time for London session, Asian session, and accumulation. Okay, and now it's London session. So the market invites sellers, and that is called manipulation, if we say. And in New York session, you will see the market will give a fast move before it gives distribution. So the fast move of selling before distribution. So market in manipulated, and now it's time for distribution, and then market will not go like this. The market will go really like this, and this. So this is called as distribution. I hope you get this. Asian session, London session, New York session. Range bound, you get accumulation. Manipulation can be buying or selling, and distribution will be opposite direction. So this is the simple chart. If you get it, trading is going to be easy for you. So I have made you understand that many times, that this is accumulation, this is manipulation, and this is distribution. So make sure you subscribe now and give it a like, guys, because who is giving you free education like that? So let's move back to our charts where we booked 90 pips. 90 pips captured, 1:3. The same way we saw distribution happen, and now market took support to grab liquidity. It showed us like buying behavior, and gold gives plenty of moves in a day. So you can capture any move, like 50 pips, 100 pips, even 200 pips or 30 pips according to your capital size and your risk. You capture it, that's it. Khalas. You can end the day, you can take your money out, go and enjoy stress free. You don't have to give stress and trade. So it's better to just relax, and if take one or two trades a day. See, we are in today's market, we captured two moves only. Like one was in Bitcoin, where we captured $1,300 with $150 of SL, which was 1:8.39. So I'll enter that also. 1:8.40. Risk to reward. That's it. We captured this $1,300, 1:8.40, and the another trade 1:93, 90 pips captured. What else do we need? Smaller SLs, bigger profits. Simple and easiest way to trade, and easiest strategy in my sense. Two trades, we take a profit, and if we don't find any profit or any move, leave the market. We don't need to grab every single move. Okay guys, give me a minute, I'll be just back. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, welcome. Hey guys, welcome back. And I think now in 5 minutes I'll be closing the stream. Oh, sorry. Just checking everything is working fine. Yes. So here you see we captured, and right now also, even if you see in gold, came to the same area, took liquidity from the same place, grab liquidity from here. If you would plan entry on retest, like it went from here to here, okay, so like on the closing above this you took entry, crazy move like this, 10 pips, and 1 ratio 2.5 already in. So this is how it works. And even also when you saw the rejection from here, like market reversed from here, just took a small risk entry, 10 pips, and then still also you captured around 43 pips, easy, 40, 43, 45 pips, and close. Like these are the levels we work with, and that's how the levels are accurate. And we captured this trade, and and this trade, and this trade also. So you see now, like we captured two trades now. We captured two trades. One is $1,300 move captured, one ratio 8.40 ratio, and also the 90 whips captured in gold, one ratio 9.3 risk to reward ratio. So crazy. Like just stick with us, subscribe to our channel, keep supporting, keep following, and eventually you start to see improvements in your psychology, right? This is our Telegram. Keep supporting, and we are talking with everyone who texts us, like they need help or anything. So we are here for everyone. Just text us. I'm here for you guys, and everything is going well, guys. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, check our links in the description, and even if you like want any suggestion, want anything you're currently facing with, you want to help with that, just DM me. We are building a community for you guys only. I posted a video about that also. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. So every time I post a new vlog, new video, and go on live stream, you know that I'm here. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and also check out the links in description where you can join our Telegram channel, and all the social platforms link are there, so it would be easy for you to like just get entry access. And even if you want, I'll send you the my own Telegram name. So it's just @aditradeslive. So you can just join that. I'll type in here also. Telegram. Just this on Telegram, and you will just this on Telegram. Add this, and you can send me message, and we can chat or everything if you want. You want any help, suggestions? I'm here for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, check the links below, connect with every social platform you can, and see you on Monday, same time, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See ya. Signing off right now. See you tomorrow. Sorry, see you on Monday.